Welcome to the Seeker's Mat. Today we will explore Gomukhasana, also known as cow face pose, a very beautiful seated posture that opens up hip, shoulder and heart, deeply grounding us in our body and breath. Now let's begin with few precautions. Avoid doing Gomukhasana if you have severe knee, hip or shoulder injuries. People with sciatica or joint inflammation should consult a yoga therapist before performing this asana. How to perform Gomukhasana? Sit on the yoga mat with your legs extended forward. Bend your left leg and place the heel just beside your right hip. Now cross your right leg over your left so that both of your knees stays one above the other. Raise your right arm up, bend your elbow and let your hand rest between your shoulder blades. Your left arm goes behind your back and try to clasp both hands together. Now lengthen your spine and stay here. Breathe naturally. It's completely fine if it is not possible to stack both the hands together. You can use a yoga strap or a towel. Stay here in this pose for 8 to 10 breaths and then gently release and switch the side. Physical benefits of performing Gomukhasana. It opens tight hips and shoulder. It stretches thighs, chest and tricep. It also improves body posture. Now if we talk about the mental benefits of performing Gomukhasana, it develops patience and focus, encourages inner stillness. It helps releasing stored tension in the body. Now if we talk about the spiritual benefits of performing Gomukhasana, it harmonizes masculine and feminine energy. It balances Ida and Pingla Nadi. It supports deeper seated meditation by improving body posture. Gomukhasana teaches us how to be still even in discomfort, a powerful reminder that growth often lies just beyond resistance. Thank you so much for practicing with me in Seeker's Mat. If you guys find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.